What are your favorite fruits? Mbuma, Nini, Olingaka, Mingi. Today we learn about fruits. Lelo toyekola Mbuma. In English and Lingala. Na English and Lingala. With Lingala Studio. I like apples, they are sweet. Nalingi bapomi ezali LNG. I like oranges, they are vitamin C. Nalingi ba malala ponana vitamin C. I like mangoes, they give natural energy. Nalingi ba mganga epesa kanguya. I like bananas, they are easy to eat. Nalingi bitabe zali pete na kolia. What are your favorite fruits? Mbuma, Nini, Olingaka, Mingi. Today we learn about fruits. Lelo toyekola Mbuma. In English and Lingala. Na English and Lingala. With Lingala Studio. I like watermelons, cool and fresh. Nalingi pasteki, malili peyasika. I like coconuts, they refresh my body. Nalingi ba kokoti, epesa kanzoto sika. I like avocados, they help me grow. Nalingi ba voka, isalisa kangana kola. I like grapes, they are a good snack. Nalingi ba vino, ezali bilei malamu.
What are your favorite fruits?
Mbuma, Nini, Olingaka, Mingi.
Today we learn about fruits.
Lelo toyekola Mbuma. In English and Lingala. Na English and Lingala. With Lingala Studio. I like strawberries, red and sweet. Nalingi ba fraise, motane mpelengi. I like mangosteen, they are delicious. Nalingi ba mangostan, ezali elengi. I like lemons, they make me strong. Nalingi malala, epesaka makasi. I like guavas, are good for me. Nalingi mapela, eza malamu ponanga.
What are your favorite fruits?
Mbuma, Nini, Olingaka, Mingi.
Today we learn about fruits.
Lelo toyekola Mbuma. In English and Lingala. Na English and Lingala. With Lingala Studio. I like fruits of paradise, they gives me energy. Nalingi batondolo, epesa kanzoto nguya. I like pineapples, because they help digestion. Nalingi bananas, pona esunga kana digestion. I like mandarines, they are easy to eat. Nalingi mandarines, ezali pete na kolia. I like kiwis, they are full of vitamins. Nalingi ba kiwi, ezali na vitamini mingi.